All right, here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $126.76 worth of stuff. It's all said and done. I had an overage moneymaker of $25.66. And as always, my breakdown includes a tax. So $25 plus moneymaker this week of December 9th to December 15th, or December 8th to December 14th. This is today's Friday, so could have done this deal yesterday, but I did it this morning, and I'm gonna try to do this every week. I'm a day late this week, but please subscribe to my channel so you get these deals right away and do these deals the rest of the week. So let me get right into about 15 good deals at Publix this week that I did to get my big money maker. So let's start with the Suja juice. Regular price is $3.99. And it's on sale for $2.50 this week. And it's in the produce section, by the drinks in the produce section. And there's a Publix digital coupon for $1 off. And then coupons.com app has $1 off, so making that only 50 cents from $3.99, on sale for $2.50, making it 50 cents. Next thing, Hungry Jack. So this deal's been out before. It's regular price $1.39. It's on sale this week for $1. And there is $1 off from the Smart Source 11.7, making that absolutely free. Jove Water did this last week, and once again, it's back in Ibotta, so took advantage of it again. So regular price $2.49, and use its manufacturer printable. All the links and the breakdown are below, so I've got a detailed breakdown and links to print that coupon as well as the other ones. So $2.49 for that, and you get the $1 off right there for the manufacturer printable. $1.25 back from Ibotta, making that only 24 cents. All right, what's up next? Okios, right there. That's a $1.25 Publix digital coupon. Clip that. Takes $1.25 off for a free one, so makes that 0. Same thing with the Tepache. That is regularly $2.49. Publix digital coupon takes $2.49 off, making that 0. So clip those ones. Another digital coupon is in the Maille mustard. It's regularly $3.99. It's on sale for $2.99 this week. Publix digital coupon for $1.50 off, and Ibotta either gives you $1 back or 75 cents back. I had a 75-cent back, so making that mustard only 74 cents. Fanta. It's a very good one. I kind of found this one out. They are buy two, get two free. So $2.39 each. So that would be $10.28. But they are buy two, get two free. So it comes to $5.14. And check your Ibotta, because I had $2 off, limit of 4. I had $2 off each one, limit of 4. So made that a $2.86 overage moneymaker. So that was a good one. Alpha Nuggets. So this was one that I did a while back, but it's nothing. No sale this week. They're $5.99 each, and I had a Blinky for buy one get one free, so that took $5.99 off. And in the mail, I got a class action coupon for a free item. And I got the link for that below. It was a couple weeks back, and it just came in, and it expires in like 2 weeks, so I had to use that. So I doubled up. I used the free item and the buy one get one free, made those $5.99 each, made those exactly free. So you subscribe to my channel. I mentioned it before, and it's back, or finally came in the mail. So that was a good one right there. Florastor. I guess that's how you say it. Anyways, these are regular price $19.99. They're on sale for $9.99, so half price. And well, this was a good deal. There's a manufacturer printable for $8 off. There's also a Publix digital coupon for $8 off. So if you can't print that, that's also a Publix. Now coupons.com also gives you $8 back. Ibotta gives you $4 back. So regular price for this thing is $19.99, on sale for $9.99, $8 from the manufacturer printable, $8 from coupons.com, $4 from Ibotta. Made that a $12.01 moneymaker. And you can do the same thing with the kids. Well, besides it wasn't in the coupons.com app, but that you can use. It's regularly $23.99 on sale for $13.99. $8 from the manufacturer printable, $4 from Ibotta, making that free, basically free, or $1.01, right? Is that right? If my math is right. All right. Next up is, let's see, Revlon nail clippers. So these are on sale this week. Regular price is $2.79. They're on sale, I think 25% off. Some comes to $2.19. With tax comes to $2.30. From the winter savings, there is $1.50 off, making that to only 80 cents. And as always, I have a plan. So my threshold was to reach $75. I had a competitor coupon from Sprouts where I got $10 off my total. Now, they have these gift cards. Happy gift cards are in digital coupon. So if you reach 50, which you can easily do, here you'll get $10 off your Happy gift card. That's a good one. And this one also, One for All, you can use that one as well. That One for All gift card has tons of restaurants on there. So that's really good. Chobani oat milk, $3.99 each. So it comes to $7.98, but they're BOGO, so it's $3.99 for both of them. Oh man, there's $1 off from the 12.5 Smart Source. There's $1 digital coupon. Ibotta gives you $1.50 back on each one, and Checkout 51 had $1 back. So spending $3.99 for both of those, using $1 manufacturer coupon, $1 digital coupon, and $2.50 off from Ibotta. That's $3, and one Checkout 51 made that $2.01 overage moneymaker. Keep it going. Airwick. So the Airwick, there is a manufacturer coupon for, it's a limited 2, for $3 off one Airwick 2 count. So these are regularly $2.79. So if you get 3 of them, you add the tax. $2.79 times 3 plus the tax comes to exactly $9. You use 2 of these because there's a limited 2, and there's a Publix digital coupon for $3 off too. So you can buy 3 of them, use 2 of the manufactured printables, and 1 of the Publix digital coupon, and get everything for free. But the deal gets better because coupons.com has $2.75 back. So for these 3, I had a $2.75 overage moneymaker on those. Cetaphil baby. All right. So these are regular price, $5.49. With tax comes to $11.80. There's a store coupon from the Extra Savings, $6 off of 2. There's a manufactured printable. You sign up, you take a survey, and they email you that. That's a limited 2. So basically paid $11.80. And I had the $6 off from the store coupon, $2 off from the manufactured printable, $2 off from manufactured printable. I had a Ibotta for 25 cents off, so made that only $1.55 for those. Coke coffee. Let's see what this guy. Another Publix digital coupon on this for a freebie, so $2.15. Thank you, garbage truck. $2.15 for this, and $2 off from the digital coupons. Free, but you had to pay the tax, so that only cost 15 cents. All right, keep it going. Koia, these guys. So Koia protein drink, and there was a hang tag off it. Buy 1 protein, get a smoothie free. So pretty good on that. And if you join the Koia crew, they will send you these coupons. They sent me 3 this time. So totally free. I got the link to join that below. This is the second time they've sent me 3 coupons for free items, so gotta love that. So these are regularly $3.99 and $2.99, and they're absolutely free with the coupons. So last thing, the Stonefire Dynamite. I did this a while back too. This is for just a free product. I still had one of these laying around, so I did that. So please subscribe to my channel. So this is definitely out of prints, but if you subscribe to my channel, you could get that there. So in total, that's it. $126.76 worth of goods. Had an overage moneymaker of $25.62. Once again, 52 weeks a year, every week, getting paid to shop. You can look at my past videos. Every single week I've been paid when I left the store. So pretty good job right there. And please subscribe to this funny looking guy right here so you get these videos right as they drop and do these deals.